Morning. I'm here at the Here booth. Morning, Sayan. Tell us a little bit about what we have here.
Yes, this is a joint venture kiosk between Mercedes-Benz and Here. So you see also a joint venture we did for last year at Mondial, the car show in Paris. And what you see is like we had a collaboration. At Mondial last year, Daimler revealed their first electric concept car, and we did in collaboration the dashboard experience here. First of all, what we wanted to have to do is we wanted to have our new HD 3D Rich Cities maps here. The maps, the key point about the maps in the first place is highly accurate. By highly accurate, I mean it's 5 to 10 centimeters accuracy. Besides that, it's a high dynamic map. We can change nearly everything. We can change the style of the map. Everything you see, it's the same map, different styles, different camera positions, and so on. But it's the same map. And the story here is that we have like the situation that we are going for a diner, we search for a place, we are in the car, and now the navigation kicks in and we are driving into it. Like also, the time frame is near future. We're talking about 2020, 2025, and so on. So it's a little bit in the future, but not far, far away. And what we do is that we are showing objects on the route which are belonging to your current context. Like imagine you are on your route and you are low on gas. What we can do is we can just highlight gas stations along your route.
So, couple of questions on this.
Yes, please.
How different is it from what you deliver today?
It's not far away. What we have, like the data we have, the data which we can provide today. The render we have is from production code itself, and the use cases they are a little bit far off. I mean a little bit, but can make it to the product because we are using the same APIs, the same calls, and so on. But it's still for a product. It's far away, but not far, far away.
And does this cater to just the navigation experience, or
No.
is there autonomous driving related elements?
I mean, there are, driving situation, yes, autonomous driving as well, because if we speak about autonomous driving, we have to build trust. Because we have this HD map, which is a dark map. Dark map in the sense the car uses it, but nobody sees it.
Yeah.
Yes. But now, in the beginning, you have to like show somehow the user what the car is doing and based on what. And this map is based on this HD map because we have this highly accurate. So this is a visual product which is derived from this HD map. And other context when we talk about autonomous driving is then we have more time to explore the map, because we can show them more information or different information, or you can explore it, and then it makes more sense to have like this visual map for presentation.
And you mentioned about the 5 to 10 centimeter accuracy. Did it take something special compared to current generation of maps to achieve that level of accuracy?
Yes, of course. The thing is, first of all, how do you capture it? Because like if you have the traditional 2D map, you can use satellite images, or you're driving with a car and have your GPS trace. This is all you need. But for this, you have to capture the reality like with LiDARs. LiDARs is a 3-dimensional scan. You have to process this LiDARs and so on. It's a lot more processing you have to do, and yes, definitely.
And does this require, since in this case this was done for Daimler, does this require like good quality graphics processing to render it at this level?
The thing is, we want to make it as close as possible to reality and to the product. So what we did is, this right now runs on a PC because it's like on a demo kit. But what we did with Daimler is we ported it to embedded hardware from the beginning. So like we have on NVIDIA the X1, we ported it to there. It's an embedded system for car navigations, and tried it immediately there. What we also did is you have to imagine this little box, which is an embedded device. You put everything in it and just hand over the box. So what you do is you power on the box, then you have an interface. It's a web interface, so you can just use your cell phone, your tablet, or something like that, and can begin to style the map, make changes, make experiments. So it's not so far away. Needs work to get into the product, but can't say much about how much.
Cool. Thank you so much, Ryan.
Thank you.
Pleasure.